Welcome to Eric Blackman Music. Hi, and welcome to Eric Blackman Music Saxy, Beginner Sax. And the reason I'm calling it Beginner Saxophone is I'm a beginner. So I'm going to show you some of the things that I'm learning to play on the saxophone. In this session, we're going to play an easy horn line that we can play to a 12-bar blues backing track in C major. Here's the notes we'll need to play this horn line. We'll need a C sharp, that's hands off, and we're only using the upper keys of the saxophone for this line. That's C sharp. We'll need a B, and we'll use the index finger to play B. We'll need an A, we'll use the index and the middle finger to play that note, and a C, and we'll just use the middle finger for that. And here's our first horn line. That was C sharp, B, A, B, C sharp 3 more times, B, A. We'll play that twice. Horn line 2 will be C, B, A, B, 3 C's, B, A. We'll go back to our original horn line. Then we'll go to a B note, play it 8 times. Tonguing that note. And then we'll go to an A note, doing the same thing. And then we'll play C sharp, B, A, B, A to finish. So here's the entire horn line. And here's what it'll sound like with a backing track. Now you can find that backing track to play along with on YouTube. Use the link in the description below this video to get to it. Well, alright folks, that's it for now. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.